So you guys were going out. Yep, I know it's a snowstorm, whatever, but here you go out in the snow. Come on.
Be careful.
By the way, my husband's the cameraman. And wow, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Come on.
Right behind you. Here, give me a hand.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Come on. Where you guys want to go? You want to go to Zeal's? Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
I love this. Oh, man. Yeah, I really want to bring some different videos because all I've been doing is pumping out tutorials and, you know, I don't want you guys to be bored, you know. That's all. So, come on. Let's head on over to Zeal's. Wow. Honey, point the camera towards the park. Look at that. This is amazing. I love it. Come on, babe. You're the best cameraman. Come on. There go the new LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. I'm in Rite Aid right now. Yeah, there goes like the neutral one. And that is what I believe to be the colorful one. Yep. New LA Colors eyeshadow palettes at Rite Aid. For all you LA Colors lovers. There you go. That's what the display looks like. I know. Well, we got our supplies. Time to head back inside. Come on. Well, that's it. We got our supplies. Snowstorm has hit. It's time to get upstairs. Come on, baby.